still up to the righteous is Cupid once again. Rastafari is the root till King Selassie I salute him after all. Yeah. When Jah trumpet a sound and repent and face the wrong will surely fall. Yeah. Tune him call and from the dark the evil wicked man run out like a ball. Yeah. See them better know right now. Don't ask no question, oh, well listen up again. See them poison from the root, we know them distort Jah truth. To what a heavy load to carry for Jah get to you. No population equals inoculation, so them eliminate silently the fruits of nations lie. Built to learn in all this Gideon confusion, destroy your union with the things less than a human. Originality, now come plenty, so me now mix my intellect, you know them documentary. Rastafari is the root till King Selassie I salute him after all. Yeah. When Jah trumpet a sound and repent and face the wrong will surely fall. Yeah. Tune him call and from the dark the evil wicked man run out like a ball. Yeah. See them better know right now. Don't ask no question, oh, well listen up again. Traveling, yes we rallying. Big consciousness, Rastaman dabbling. No troubling, the things of culture in black civilization. Yes, it is mind-boggling. I'm so alive to see where we're gonna be. Them not show no remorse for our victory. And through these eyes I repeat over history. I get to know, is your conscious mind with me? Oh, pray for the will to make ends meet, for the lives incomplete, for the days that keep shuffling. With the will to survive, whether we live do what I Rasta try, because we know Jah know what happening. You me or I reality tells no lie, mentally blessed. No time to rest. Get ready man, set ready for the war, my witch happening. In a world of darkness, Jah light shows us what happening. Rastafari is the root till King Selassie I salute him after all. Yeah. When Jah trumpet a sound and repent and face the wrong will surely fall. Yeah. Tune him call and from the dark the evil wicked man run out like a ball. Yeah. See them better know right now. Don't ask no question, oh, well listen up again. See them poison from the root, we know them distort Jah truth. To what a heavy load to carry for Jah get to you. No population equals inoculation, so them eliminate silently the fruits of nations lie. Built to learn in all this Gideon confusion, destroy your union with the things less than a human. Originality, now come plenty, so me now mix my intellect, you know them documentary. Rastafari is the root till King Selassie I salute him after all. Yeah. When Jah trumpet a sound and repent and face the wrong will surely fall. Yeah. Tune him call and from the dark the evil wicked man run out like a ball. Yeah. See them better know right now. Don't ask no question, oh, well listen up again. Rastafari is the root till King Selassie I salute him after all. Yeah. When Jah trumpet a sound and repent and face the wrong will surely fall. Yeah. Tune him call and from the dark the evil wicked man run out like a ball. Yeah. See them better know right now. Don't ask no question, oh, well listen up again.
Yeah. Bien à l'écoute de Listen to My Soul jusqu'à 22h, on est là. Ce soir on est avec Cupidor.
Yes, King bless it.
On écoutait un premier son qui s'appelle The Root. We just listened a track called The Root.
Yes.
So what is the meaning of this song?
The meaning of this song is more reflection of consciousness in life. You know,
okay.
You have to be aware that there is a Father, there is a Creator that created all things, and we live according to His plans. Okay. You know, so this track is more dedicated to human behavior.
Okay.
The way humans have to adapt to one another through happiness and love.
Ok, donc c'est un son qui est là pour nous donner une vibe consciente, une réflexion sur la vie, sur le fait que voilà, il y a un père, un créateur, et que nous on est là et on vit en fonction de ses plans. Et donc il nous parle plus de comportement humain et de choses comme ça c'est le thème. And so did you produce this song?
Yes, this song was produced by myself.
Yes.
You know, it's on Connection Songs. You know, so I took my time with it, and I breathe life into it. So it's a success right now for me. A lot of people love the track from Europe, places like England, France obviously, all right, and other neighboring communities, Caribbean communities. So I choose this song tonight, in reflection of consciousness.
Ok, donc c'est un son qu'il a produit lui-même et il a pris son temps pour le faire, mais aujourd'hui il est sorti et il est content parce que les gens le reçoivent bien, donc il a pu le faire écouter en Europe, en Angleterre, dans les Caraïbes aussi, en France et puis dans d'autres places à venir, partout où il va se déplacer pour passer le message. And so I would like to know, how do you work in your production? Are you a musician?
Well, right now presently I'm learning to play the guitar.
Yeah.
But besides that, I had that experience with the piano, everything. So I'm just trying my best as I go along. But production has been my first love, as you can see.
Okay.
So I kept with production for many years. For the past 15 years, I'm into musical production, trial and error. Okay. I try and then I fail and then I go again, and so it has been a struggle. So I haven't perfected production, but I'm trying my best to do what I can to please my fans.
Yes. Donc il nous dit qu'il est en train d'apprendre la guitare, mais qu'il est pas mal sur le piano et donc du coup il fait ses productions. Son premier amour en quelque sorte c'était la production, c'est de faire des sons. Et donc du coup il travaille là-dessus et il nous dit que même s'il a pas des rythmes parfaits, et il fait ça avec le cœur et il fait de son mieux pour sortir de bons résultats. And so do you work with a team?
Well, I have a artist, his name is Lion Eye.
Okay.
That's the only person that I have working with me presently.
Okay.
But based upon my musical experience, I've had, downfalls. Sometimes you have people who want to work with you and then they cannot commit. They don't have the commitment to go further. So then they leave. And it left me alone as a producer to produce the music, record, mix and master, and do the best that I can. So me and my artist, Lion Eye, right? It's Ruel McClatchy, that's his name, from Trinidad and Tobago as well. Right now, that's the only person that I have presently working with me. So I consider us a team.
Yeah.
Yes,
with two person.
Yeah, two person man,
Yes,
so we're doing it.
Actuellement, il est avec un homme qui s'appelle Lion Eye et avec qui il travaille et voilà, il pourrait y avoir d'autres personnes et il y a pas de souci sur les gens qui voudraient faire des sons et qui sauraient pas le faire en fait. Et lui, il est là pour faire un son finalisé, pour produire tout simplement et pouvoir amener ça haut. Mais aujourd'hui, son équipe, c'est avec Lion Eye. And so you work on computer to make your rhythms?
Yeah, well, most of my rhythm that has been done, I have my software on my computer.
Yeah.
Because musical equipment now is very expensive.
Yeah.
But I have the idea and I have the determination to bring the music into reality.
Okay.
So I have to use what I have in order to create what I want in my mind. So when I bring it together, I record my works and I make it to the standard that I could, because I don't have a professional studio,
Yeah.
So I do it as best as I can, Yes, man.
Donc il nous explique que il a pas forcément l'argent pour avoir un gros studio, pour faire son studio et même pour avoir plein d'instruments. Donc il fait sa programmation sur ordinateur et il essaie de faire du mieux qu'il peut avec les moyens qu'il a et donc voilà un petit peu pour le résumé de sa production, de son feeling. We listen to a second track?
Yes. This track, Yet It Rains, it was produced by Angelo Panton from Studio 53 at that time in Trinidad and Tobago.
Okay.
He's the producer for this track and I'm the writer for the track. So it's a very old track, but I think you can get some good vibes from the track itself, man.
Donc c'est une chanson ancienne, elle date un peu, mais elle va nous amener des bonnes vibes. C'est pas lui qui a produit, c'est lui qui a écrit. Donc on écoute ça tout de suite. Ça vient de Trinidad and Tobago. L'homme s'appelle Cupidor sur Radio Mille Pattes. Yes.
Yes, Kate, classic.
In this ever-changing world, things trouble us. May the ones who fly beside
alongside the righteous warriors. Although remain someone with caveats. How we need humanity that bury us. Yo, let your blessing be observed. Let warriors be ready in his eyes. Let's rise up to the most high Lord. Yet it rains under the altar fire blazing. Until I hail Jah is the one I'm raising. Deliver me from all that I've been listening. Hail Jah, brother man, because he's the one who's spoken. Yet it rains under the altar fire blazing. Until I hail Jah is the one I'm raising. Deliver me from all that I've been listening. Hail Jah, brother man, because he's the one who's spoken. Evil looks around the shoulders of righteous men. Darkens meditation and stitch good, but they pretend. In the city of dogs, they're making promises to land. Then they forward them all, living at the bottomless den. Prisoners of war between child and heaven. 77 times 7 is what my Lord is giving. Take Elijah and fill me up with blessing. Shower the wicked, oh Lord. Oh gosh, your love, yeah. Yet it rains under the altar fire blazing. Until I hail Jah is the one I'm raising. Deliver me from all that I've been listening. Hail Jah, brother man, because he's the one who's spoken. Yet it rains under the altar fire blazing. Until I hail Jah is the one I'm raising. Deliver me from all that I've been listening. Hail Jah, brother man, because he's the one who's spoken. In this life we live, Jah my forgiven. Pages turn from the lives we are living. Please remind us, for things will blind us. Guidance fall, we search but righteous. Awaited time, but there will be judgment. So hard we try living with life's commandment. Trial of the soul, without resentment. Oh yes, no. Yet it rains under the altar fire blazing. Until I hail Jah is the one I'm raising. Deliver me from all that I've been listening. Hail Jah, brother man, because he's the one who's spoken. Yet it rains under the altar fire blazing. Until I hail Jah is the one I'm raising. Deliver me from all that I've been listening. Hail Jah, brother man, because he's the one who's spoken. Ooh, yeah, yeah, united hand in hand. Oh Jah, we'll wait till I'm yearning for your command, yeah. Oh Lord, yeah, yeah, yeah. Lisa, tell me about the kill one another, set which I come away. Show the wicked, the coward, the box on my palms and compensate, yeah. Yet it rains under the altar fire blazing. Until I hail Jah is the one I'm raising. Deliver me from all that I've been listening. Hail Jah, brother man, because he's the one who's spoken. Yet it rains under the altar fire blazing. Until I hail Jah is the one I'm raising. Deliver me from all that I've been listening. Hail Jah, brother man, because he's the one who's spoken.
Get a dream. L'homme s'appelle Cupidor, il est avec nous jusqu'à 22h. On va faire un petit freestyle après, mais en attendant, on va continuer à discuter. And I would like to know, why are you in France right now?
Well, I'm in France to make some serious musical connection.
Yeah.
Because I'm from a small island.
Yes.
Trinidad and Tobago is very small compared to France. France is being talked about in the Caribbean and everywhere you practically go.
Yeah.
For musical opportunities. All right. So I'm here in France to put my music, present my music. You know, let the world know, let France know, let everybody neighboring European countries know that I am from a little island, but I can make a big effect here in France. You know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah.
Ok, donc il est là en France juste pour nous faire écouter sa musique, pour essayer de prendre quelques connexions, parce que il est conscient qu'il vient d'un tout petit pays, d'une petite île, et pour lui la France c'est big, donc voilà, et il cherche du monde un petit peu à connecter. Donc tous ceux qui écoutent, qui aiment bien, n'hésitez pas, nous on passe le message, on prend pas de com, on fait ça cadeau. Yes, and so did you go in other countries in Europe?
I've been to England.
Yeah.
But that's in 2010. I went to England to search for musical opportunities as well. And then from England I went to Jamaica. I went to the United States of America, St. Lucia. You know, I've traveled around to get more connected to reggae music, more connected to different minds concerning the art form. You know, and then my final destination is in France presently.
Yes, donc il est allé dans différents pays aussi avant dans le même but. Il est allé aussi en Angleterre, en Jamaïque et les autres pays qu'il nous a dit. Et voilà, mais en ce moment il est là en France finalement pour nous présenter ses sons Do you have some shows?
I had
Some
some
events?
well, I had some. The majority of shows that I had was in Mexico
Yeah.
because I've been in Mexico for probably 2 years.
Okay.
I've spent 2 years in Mexico and I've toured certain states in Mexico. So I had most of my live performances in Mexico.
Okay.
Yeah.
And right now you don't
But
have
no, in
something?
France presently, no, because I have to, you have to follow the laws of France.
Yeah.
So I came to see what France has to offer. But when I go back to my country, I will get the correct documents and then I will return and then I
Okay.
will have the ability to perform in France the legal way.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Donc il nous a dit il avait fait pas mal de dates quand il vivait à Mexico pendant 2 ans où il a fait pas mal de sons là-bas et là il est aussi en France pour un petit peu analyser, observer les lois, savoir comment on fait et une fois qu'il a toutes les infos il retourne chez lui pour faire les papiers propres et puis revenir parmi nous pour nous proposer des concerts. So we listen to a third track.
Yes.
It's the one with Lion Eye.
Yes, the name of this song track is called Give Thanks. It's by my artist, Lion Eye, and I also produced the track.
Yeah.
But I produced the track to the best of my abilities because of my equipment. So I am hopeful that it sounds good on your equipment presently.
Ok.
Alright? So,
Donc,
blessed love.
Il nous répète que voilà, il travaille avec les moyens du bord, mais il a quand même un bon son à nous faire partager et bah, il va nous demander notre avis, quoi. L'homme s'appelle Cupidor, toujours. Juste après, on va faire un petit freestyle.
Looking over the nations as they fight amongst themselves, looking for the difference. But they were all created equal. Just say his day will come, judgment, each and every one. Woja, seated in Mount Zion. Woja, conquering lion. Sitting in Mount Zion, Woja, conquering lion. Woja, Jaga in my footsteps, I will always follow your precepts. You are the master, the man who walk with the holy scepter, holy presenter, conqueror. In Mount Zion, Woja, conquering lion. Woja, seated in Mount Zion. Woja, conquering lion. Woja, seated in Mount Zion. Woja, fight my battles. He never leaves me hungry, always keep me humble. So I will always put my trust in thee, never forsake my family. I pray to thee, night and day. Oh well, Jah, I must confess he is the best. Oh Jah, seated in Mount Zion. Oh Jah, conquering lion. Woja, seated in Mount Zion. Woja, conquering lion. The king sits upon the throne, looking over the nations as they fight amongst themselves, looking for the difference. But they were all created equal.
s'appelle Cupidor. Sur la version, il est en combinaison avec Lion Eye. C'est produit par lui-même. Il est avec nous dans les studios ce soir pour se présenter, pour faire des connexions. So, for the people who they want to link you, how can get?
Well, Mark Cupido, aka Cupid,
Yeah.
Reverb Nation, www.reverbnation.com. Search Zan Connection, Zion Connection, or Mark Cupido
On Reverb Nation.
on Reverb Nation.
Reverb Nation.
And on YouTube, just the same, Mark Cupido,
Yes.
Zan Connection songs. You know?
Ok, donc si vous allez sur Reverb Nation, sur le site, vous cherchez Mark Cupidor, aka Cupid, or what is Zion
Connection.
Zion Connection.
Yeah, Reverb Nation, www.reverbnation.com, Zion Connection songs,
Yeah.
Mark Cupido.
Et puis sinon, vous pouvez aller check sur YouTube aussi, passer les infos et tout ça. So, did you say everything you want to say?
Well, you know, I just want to give a shout out to all the France people, the French people. I want them to know that I'm happy to be here in France. Right? It's very different to my country. It's a mighty place.
Yeah.
A lot of culture, a lot of history. I only see France on the television. I only see Paris on TV.
Yeah.
But I'm here to actually experience what you all experience here, citizens of this country. So I want to take time to give thanks for accepting me here, right, in France, and giving me the love musically within the reggae music for me to expose myself. Secondly, I want to give thanks to Lion Eye, and I want to give thanks to the Zan Connection family and all my European fans and my Caribbean fans and my friends. I give thanks musically for the strength and the power concerning the music. I also want to give thanks to the Empress, Coralie,
Yeah.
for having me, for her bringing me here and exposing me to different venues within the reggae music in France. So Coralie, I want to give thanks for you.
Big up,
Giving me
Coralie.
that big up. Yes, man.
Yes.
Blessed love.
Et
And Bobo Zion? Right, Bobo Zion.
Bobo Zion.
Yeah, it's a foundation for the Ethiopian children. She's part of the organization here in France.
Yeah.
So I want to send a big up to organization, association, right? Bobo Zion. Bless you,
Yeah.
love.
Et voilà, c'est l'association qu'on avait présentée la dernière fois. Donc les gens savent. Big up Coralie. Il voulait aussi, pour traduire rapidement avant de lancer le freestyle, remercier tous les Français, tous les massifs français qu'il a rencontrés, qui lui ont donné de l'amour, qui lui ont donné de la bonne musique, de la joie. Et il est content d'être là parmi nous. Et il remercie aussi sa team Lion Eye et Zion Connection. Et puis voilà, pour faire avancer le travail. On continue. So, I let you the control, the studios.
Yes, man. You know what? It's only fire right about now, you know, so I'll try my best. I bless you, love.
Yeah.
Paris Medea, respect. Hey yo, bless the love is Mark Cupid, aka Cupid. Radio Melpat, listen my soul, select a Jordan, select a Momo. One to them, it's Cupid once again, Paris Medea. I listen up again, Mama Africa, Ethiopia. Tell me, do you know who you are? Can hide from the truth like your morning star. Mama Africa, Ethiopia, the heart of this lion Raja, the true conqueror. Them one know the truth of this big black treasure. Big thunderstorms will survive humanity weather. Mental the meditation light like a feather. Man lift up your sister black woman, make it better. Rise with the peace, Rasta be a trendsetter. Black is the cloud, now nature looks fresher. Love is the tool, work it like Black and Decker. The land of the black is the mother. Yeah, Mama Africa, Ethiopia. Tell me, do you know who you are? Can't hide from the truth, you like your morning star. Real and come again upon a big track there, don't know. Real it again. And what they say? Paris me there, Mark Cupid, the AK Cupid. Respect and powers every time. Hey, Lord, yeah. I listen up again. Mama Africa, Ethiopia. Tell me, do you know who you are? Can I hide from the truth like your morning star? Mama Africa, Ethiopia, the heart of this lion rock, the true conqueror. Them one know the truth of this big black treasure. Big thunderstorms will survive humanity weather. Mental the meditation light like a feather. Man lift up your sister, black woman make it better. Rise with the peace, Rasta be a trendsetter. Black is the cloud, now nature looks fresher. Love is the tool, work it like Black and Decker. The land of the black is the mother. Hey, yeah. Mama Africa, Ethiopia. Tell me, do you know who you are? Can't hide from the truth, shine like your morning star. Mama Africa, Ethiopia, the heart of this lion Rajah. One to them, I listen up again. Black is all around, but still we not go lose away. Now go share we travel through the lights up there. Hear what the man say. Ancestors walk on our black nations on replay. Hidden prophecies now lead the way. We now go obey. Nowhere we feel the silence of a truth. You them coulda never poison all from the root. Loot them coulda never loot. Protectors of your fruit. Hail to the king, surely Yeshua shall execute. Lad, lad, warrior, warrior, yeah, warrior, 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 warrior. I say, yeah, African children, African children, I African children. Yo, I listen freedom for one and all. Freedom stand tall, tall, tall. Freedom for one and all. Freedom stand tall, tall, tall. Black is all around, but still we not go lose our way. Bless the love, you don't know, it's Cupid once again. Respect. Paris me there, easy. Boom. So what I say? La la la. To the woman them. Please be mine, girl. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Don't you be sick of me, tickle me with your sweet. Oh, please be mine, girl. I miss you all the time. Cries of tears falling down from my eyes. Paris, why will they choose another girl over mine? Don't you be sick of me, tickle me with you. I listen, please be mine, girl. I miss you all the time. Paris girls, cries of tears falling down from my eyes. Why will they choose another girl over mine? Don't you be sick of me, tickle me with you. I listen, listen. I remember late December when every night we fight. Memories we call we made up by dinners and candlelight. You were right when I just went wrong. When things went right, there was something wrong, my man. I need you closer. Say why you want to overlove her. Deep in my mind is you are fine, I must discover. Internet someday, see penny what you want. I am no other, let's go land in and I'm the man. Would you understand, baby? You and I together. I listen, please be mine, girl. I miss you all the time. Cries of tears falling down from my eyes. Why will they choose another girl over mine? Don't you be sick of me, tickle me with you. I listen, please be mine, girl. I miss you all the time. Cries of tears falling down from my eyes. Why will they choose another girl over mine? Don't you be sick of... One to them. Boom tune. Yeah. One to them. Bless the love to all the ganja man and them, you don't know. La la la. Listen to this. Well, it's a must that I marijuana. I don't care if she end up by your corner. She in a Gideon suit green like iguana. Her perfume I break the world adore. Yes, it is a must that I marijuana. Well, tobacco, you better know you can scan her. She lifts me up, took me out from my disaster. My fire, she requested my lighter. I'll put my shoulders to the wheel. Well, clean up a ganja field. Crostals and valleys sit and smoke when I feel. But Babylon them treacherous and steal. But don't want provide my clocks, my clothes and my ital meals. With the rifles, batos and shields. Carry out and Rastaman but Listerine. Toes and ears but fire burn them. Justice reveal. So you tower, you blaze it up, burn it up. For real and listen. The ganja green like iguana. It's a marijuana. Blazing up the air by every streets and corner between Gulf Paparia. One to them is Cupid once again. Paris with there. Easy. Out of that. Yeah. La da da da. I listen up again. Whoa, yeah. Lad, it's all about love, you know. Honor, togetherness. Yo, I listen up again. Who them were trying to take down? Who them were trying this Gideon? Restaurant, the city, countries and tongue. John my sign, fight forever long again. Who them were trying to pull down? Restaurant, the city, yes we run the tongue. Rastafari up on my side. Hail King Selassie, I listen. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked man them. Burn them, burn down, I listen up again. Burn up the fire upon the wicked man them. To the heathens, I listen up again. Burn down the fire upon the Babylon them. Lord, I listen up again. Yes, people, Mark Cupid, AK Cupid's and Connection songs. Trinidad, we there, out of that. Yes, King. Boom. Honor. Paris, I want you to know that I'll never leave you alone. Tell me about your love, tell me about your life, tell me about the truth that bubble up inside that take you on a conscious ride. I want you to know that I'll never leave you alone. Tell me about your love, tell me about your life, tell me about the truth that bubble up inside that take you on a conscious. Listen, I want you to know, Paris, that I'll never leave you alone. Tell me about your love, tell me about your life, tell me about the truth that bubble up inside. To the Paris woman, listen. When it comes to love, keep it, now run that down. Now jump around like no judgment clung. Once you in my life, here is a permanent wrong. Float up in my zone like melodies to my song. All night long, change about time for fun. You're not anxiety, stay woman, you're not last for long. Heart to heart, soul to soul, yes, we not crumble long. See this a meditation, could I never go wrong. I want you to know that I'll never leave you alone. Paris, tell me about your love, tell me about your life, tell me about the truth that bubble up inside that take you on a conscious fight. I want you to know, Paris, that I'll never leave you alone. Tell me about your love, tell me about your life, tell me about the truth that bubble up inside that take you on a conscious fight. I want you to know, France, that I'll never leave you alone. Tell me about your love, tell me about your life, tell me about the truth that bubble up inside that take you on a conscious. Yeah, what the man say? Come give me a love, woman, all hearted. Come check the lion if you're not know to start it. Guidance for protection, why them brought it? See this, I want a name, look why them back it. Yeah, what the man say? Come give me a love, woman, all hearted. Come check the lion if you're not know to start it. Guidance for protection, why them brought it? See this, I want a name, look Paris. Listen, I want you to know that I'll never leave you alone. Never. Tell me about your love, tell me about your life, tell me about the truth that bubble up inside that take you on a conscious fight. I want you to know that I'll never leave you alone. Tell me about your love, tell me about your life, tell me about the truth that bubble up inside that take you on a conscious fight. I want you to know, Paris, I will never leave you, and I'll never leave you. I could never leave you, I could never leave you. Boom tune, you know. Yeah, speak.
L'homme s'appelle Mark Cupidor, donc il était avec nous pour se présenter. You were here to introduce yourself to French people.
Yes, King. Bless you.
Ok, donc n'hésitez pas à le contacter sur Reverb Nation et aussi sur YouTube et les réseaux sociaux habituels. Vous savez retrouver ça. L'homme s'appelle Cupidor. Donc thank you for coming.
Yes, King. And you know, I give thanks for you all having me, man. You know, it's an honor and a privilege. You know.
Yeah.
Respect.
So before we introduce 20 and Roots Attack, we listen to a last track, the one with Uluganda.
Yes, this track is called Show More Love. You know, it's produced by Grizzly Production, Ghana Production as well. And Uluganda, he is the one that is singing with me. I'm featuring in the track as well. So.
Just speak in the front of mic.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, so I will repeat again.
Yeah,
right?
please.
Grizzly Production, right, the one who created the rhythm.
Yeah.
Right, Uluganda
production
as well. Right, I am featuring on the track with him. He is from Gambia.
He's from Gambia,
but presently he is in Germany.
Okay.
So we connected on Facebook and we do the track. So right now it's streaming across Asia, across Africa, and we are now getting some streams within the Europe community.
Yes, donc c'est un rythme de Grizzly Production. Il est avec Uluganda, un homme qui vient de Gambie, qui habite actuellement en Allemagne. Ils sont connectés grâce aux réseaux sociaux. Et donc du coup, le son, il joue, the song is playing international.
International, you know, and I just want to big up RMP 92.9 FM, the radio do reggae, you don't know, blessed up.
With the right
radio
accent.
Straight, you don't know. So,
yes.
I give thanks, Kings, for the opportunity right about now. So, with no further ado, blaze some fire, man, you don't know.
Yeah.
Uluganda, we say, Cupid.
On écoute ça tout de suite.
Show More Love.
Cupidor, Uluganda. La tune s'appelle Show More Love.
It's all about love, you know. See them better, peace and unity.
C'est disponible, tu peux aller check ça sur la toile, tout simplement. Big up Cupidor. Yeah.
To all the warriors we never turn back. Me say the willpower strong mind them never lack. And anything them want do them just a do it fast. If a racing I let them never come last. Big up to all the warriors we never turn back. Me say the willpower strong mind them never lack. Anything them want do them just a do it fast. If a racing I let them never come last. Cut off all them fuckery and competition. Every man ready work some time and dedication towards the positive energy and vibration. No few can straight to them competition. Unhealthy rivalry and them corruption. If I no madness, if I no weakness, then me blood and tell me what make you fight another man meditation. For we are living with we on a different conceptions.
So more love in this time.
Let it come right back again. This love shall conquer all. Stand tall for the future of our children, and them will carry on. Man, a warrior ready for all this love. Long time colorful brothers and sisters, unity, what a sign. Trample the hate and the pain, love is divine. Walk to them, Cupid once again. Listen, brand new discovery, full time and open up the eyes. Rasta bundong, mental genocide. Who them a right, tell me who them a chase. Jah will people run the place, listen up again.